Hello everyone, today we have got iPad Air M2 generation 13-inch tablet, blue color, 256 GB. This is the box, and then we have the Apple Pencil Pro that is launched newly. You can see here like Pro is written. So let's unbox it. So this is the cover. This is our iPad. This is a blue color model. Then we get the Apple manual. Let's see that if we get the stickers. No, this time the stickers are not available. We have just got the iPad manuals box and the braided cable. This is both side USB 3.0. Then nothing is in the box. Let's unbox the iPad Air. Wow, this is very nice. The blue color is looking very nice. You have to look carefully at it to notice the blue color, otherwise it's looking like gray if you see it from far distance. So this is the 13-inch model that is newly launched this time and newly introduced. This is how it looks like. Now let's see the Apple Pencil Pro. This is the box. Let's unbox it. This is the box we get. This is the manual. Inside in like the booklets are there, but no Apple stickers here too. This is the Pencil Pro. It almost looks like Apple Pencil 2, but it got the new haptic sensors here, and the squeeze portion is here. It is now comes with barrel roll also. You can see it later. This is how the pencil looks like. I think it's in hand, it's very light to use. I will update you after using few days. Thank you everyone.